and the people are free. Imagine a life you do so please. Nothing to stop you from living a dream. You say you can't accomplish anything, so why not make this a reality? We can rebuild societies. Come on, all you got to do is believe. Right now we're all too distant, too blind and too resistant. Just see the situations we must solve. Our lies and tries and misconceptions throw us in the wrong direction. But if we change, revolution could evolve. Over the years, friendships have died. Was even for the tears have been drying up. With the haters, learn to forgive. Cancel the love and never regret. Call us for bed if we don't take a stand. Burn rent and gray if we're not hand in hand. Let's stop for fun. Let's eye to eye. Right now we're all too distant, too blind and too resistant. Just see the situations we must solve. Our lies and tries and misconceptions throw us in the wrong direction. But if we change, revolution could evolve. So many times you have seen me around, and when you see me, you know what I'm all about. I'm not the type of girl who cares what you think. I choose to swim when all the others just sing. There's one thing that's true, is I ain't gonna be nobody's fool. Hey, yeah, but you're the only one that ever got me. You got me feeling like that, and you like a bullet in my heart to shut me right down. Boy, and I can't get enough of that. I swear to tell the truth, and nothing but the truth. Loving him ain't easy. It's bad, bad news. Yeah. Mama said use your head, you don't need him. Look at all the shit put you through. Papa calls, baby girl, if you don't leave him, there's nothing I can do for you. There's nothing I can do. He's a mean man, but he's my man alone. He's a mean, mean one, a son of a gun, and kills me by the telephone. He's a mean man, my man alone. It's my man. He's a mean man, but it's my man alone. He's a mean, mean one, a son of a gun, kills me by the telephone. He's a mean man, my man alone. He's a mean man, my man
Einer von der jüngsten Schweizer Hits, Stefanie Heinzmann und Band live für uns. Danke, Stefanie.